order to take the most out of the Claude cowork or out of Claude in general, we want to have it connected to our external information and data. And that's where MCPs come into play. No worry about what this means. In fact, in Claude, as you can see here, it's just called connectors. And you see, I already have a lot of things connected here. And how to do this? You just go to the plus icon here, connectors, and manage connectors, and it will open up your settings in Claude. Also, you can go to the settings, connections, and you are here. So you see all the connections that I already have added. A good starting point is go to browse connectors. And now you have all the things that have a one-click connection thing. It's really easy to set up. And if you go to desktop extensions, you can go search for Apple Notes, and there you go. This is Apple Notes. You just click on it. You install it here. So I can just uninstall it to show how it works. All you need to do is click a button, install. It asks you now if it is allowed to install this extension. It will install it. And this is it. It's a one-click installation. You can go to configure. And now you have here the things that it can do. When it says other tools, all that means is the things that it can do now. So Claude can now access to list your nodes, to get node content, add a node, or update node content. And here you can give it individual restrictions, what it should do. Should it ask you before it does anything? So in my case, I set it up that it can always read my nodes, but it can add and update nodes after approval. Also, if you want to automate things, you might want to go for always allow. Check it out yourself, all the things that you can do. You can even read your iMessages here. You can give it access to Spotify to start your playlist and things like that. You have this web access, so these things become really endless what you can add here. And it's really amazing. And once you have this set up, this is where you then can go wild, where you say you go to co-work. You have the access now to the things here. When you say the plus button, you can always activate or deactivate these things. If the connection is not appearing directly, just completely close Claude and restart it, and it should appear now here. So this allows you now to search any of your nodes. What is my latest nodes in Apple Notes? You don't even have to look into a folder. You can also use the normal chat to ask the same question. So there's no need to use the co-work for this. The only difference is that here it's using Claude code under the hood. You see it goes in here. It asks me now if it is allowed, so I can always allow this. And here it's listing out all my recent nodes. So I could now start asking specific questions. And now it's up to you how you want to leverage these connections, combine things, look into the different sources and create a report and all these things. Right now, we cannot automate the Claude desktop yet. So we have a schedule. That would be amazing if we get this. But you always can obviously save your prompt and ready to be pasted in to have a routine going on there.